Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing your username on Mac. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Click the Apple icon in the top left corner of the desktop. Then click System Settings from the drop-down menu. Choose Users and Groups from the left sidebar menu. Now hold down the Control key on your keyboard whilst you click on your username. Click Advanced Options. Enter your user password and click Unlock. Now you can change the name to the right of full name to change your username. Click OK to save it. Your Mac username has now been changed. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.